professional.
Greatest weapon of all time, the P320, of course.
Let the record show that I do not consent to this.
Worst that'll happen is it might jam. I'm hoping it don't though.
I'm hoping it don't. Fuck. You ready? Metal.
Oh yeah, you did good.
Of course I did. I'm fucking professional. Bitch, can y'all see me? This is the 1 centimeter demiser, okay? That's what it's called. We're naming it the demiser. I've got autism. I'll hear nothing other.
Oh, Rachel, shooting a big bad 10 millimeter like it ain't shit.
It ain't shit. Maybe if you are a real small noodle man. I ain't small noodle man though. I'm a fat bitch. How them men want you to be, they want you to be like this.
Little bit of bend of the knee, shoulder width apart, gun right in the middle. Shoulders lean forward a bit.
You don't spook me less, I'm gonna be scared regardless.
Sounded like you hit it.
Did I? I can't hear shit out of this thing.